Day off. Day off. A day off is a designated day when a person is not required to work. It's a break from regular work responsibilities, allowing individuals time to rest, relax, or engage in personal activities, or taken as needed for reasons such as personal time, vacation, and make a video log like this. Sabi nga ng idolo ko, no work, no place to go. So we decided to travel where we live. Palawan, La Union, or LU is the place to be. We don't wait for memories to come. We make them. We bought a car para gawing rent-a-car. Tumaan sa Manawag para magpabindisyon. Umutang para mag-rides. Yun, wasak na wasak. Nag-travel, kumain, nag-swimming. Kala ko Great Wall of China, Great Road of Santol pala. San Juan, bahay na ba to? Let's go! Enjoy and ready to go. Kahit saan man kami mapadpad, isa lang ang mahalaga. Family that travels together stays forever. This is Hino, Gray, Caleb, Gret Page, at ako si Brother Lord Wally, ang feeling vlogger niyo po. And we are Mendoza Fam. Come and join and vlog with us.
Pwede ba nagdapa ko ganito?
Dito anak, dito.
Ano na dito?
Naman to kung ano, kasi yung mga tita ko mahilig sa gulay, kaya lagay na rin natin to. Tatlo lang yung gulay natin, saka yung mga tita ko gusto nila
If we can make it through December, maybe we'll make it through forever.
Another day of vlog na naman po tayo ngayong araw. Hindi tayo mag-out of town. Siyempre, magluluto tayo ngayong araw dahil maulan. Yan yung maulan. Saka malamig. Ngayong day off natin, ang gagawin natin is magluluto. Kailangan may sabaw o ano. Isipan ko na magluto ngayong day off. Marami naman tayong bisita. Sunday, malamig. Kailangan ng mainit katawan. Pag-isipan ko magluto na ng lomi. Mami. Yan kasi mga specialty ko eh. Sabi na anak ko, mami daw. Yan. Specialty ka yan. Mami, pares, lomi, lugaw. Yan mga specialty. Habang natay namin yung kuya ko na napakatagal na magbihis. Kanina pa. Yan. Habang nantay natin, entertain ko muna kayo. Diba? Gitara muna tayo. Tagal ng kuya ko. Anak, can I have my cup, please? So, wala lang. Kanta muna tayo.
It's only temporary, 'cause I guess some feelings were good for a while. You just a memory, story that I never tell, 'cause our worlds just didn't collide. You had yours and I had mine. Got lost in different directions. Being with you was my favorite sin. Oh, 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 yeah. 'Cause our worlds just didn't collide. You had yours and I had mine. Got lost in different directions. Being with you was mine favorite listen.
Yan. Kaso hindi pa rin tapos yung anak ko. At tagal pa rin niya. Hindi pa rin tapos. Eh, 2 minutes yun. Eh, kanina pa siyang nasa CR. Isa pa. Ito yung kakantayin ko sa December. Practice lang.
Tell me where do we go wrong? We should be singing Christmas songs instead of shouting on it long like we do. We keep fighting in the street when we should be home wrapping in the sheets, putting presents underneath the tree for me and you. And know we had a fair share of breaking up, making up, but I promise we will get there, so don't give up, whoa. If we can make it through December, maybe we'll make it through forever. 'Cause all I want for Christmas is you and me to fix this. If we can make it through December, every new year we'll be together. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you and me to fix this.
Yo. Practice lang. Practice lang. Ang sakit. Ang sakit.
Hello.
Palit ako ng damit na ma-feel natin yung lamig. Sino ba ang mga magpapangit doon?
Like, ako.
Wala pa. Pero sino nag-aya? Sa akin. Susugal kami doon sa bahay. Kami-kami lang naman. Family. Kasi sila uncle, sa Canada, boring. Doon sila sa bahay, kami-kami lang. Madalas sila nagmamadyong.
Dati, sama ko si Shai.
Madalas sila nagmamadyong.
Save more.
Eh, kaso si uncle gusto ata ng cards. Yan.
Ano sabi nila?
Okay,
Ay, yung
na.
Mahjong, diba yung cube ba yun? Yung parang maglalaro.
Ganun.
Hindi ko lang sure. Kasi narinig ko sa isali daw si